Assalamualaikum and very good day, Prof. Shahrizal and Dr. Dora. This is tutorial for RPS game. I have created a simple 2D layout first to start off with my video, and now I'm going to continue from here. So after creating a new text, we have to create an image button. Here's the tutorial here. Okay, so legacy and then button, position it. Okay, now we have the three buttons here to represent rock, paper, scissors. Now we have to add a player and computer representation. Now we have already added a player and computer choice. Now we just have to add the images. I already put images in here. So to do so, just select the images that you have already found in the internet or wherever, and then just drag into the panel here. Then it will automatically convert it to be used in Unity. So I'm just going to add now. To make the game work, we have scripts here. So create a empty. Name is game manager. Drag the game manager script here into the game manager object, empty object. And then there will be a few things to be filled here. So what we can do is just drag and drop. So click on the game manager here. So just drag and drop, player choice image. Here, computer choice image. Result text and advice tag I haven't done yet. So result text here, now after adding the game manager and the image, we have to add the button script here into rock, paper, and scissors. So we just do as so. Rock, paper, and scissors. And then number it accordingly here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then inside the script that you have just entered just now, just put the game manager object here into here. All right. So everything is 1, 2, 3, and all the game manager is inside. We can proceed to the next step. Now we have added everything. Now our panel should look like this. So this is already playable, but next to add even more depth to the game, we can simply add a sound effect. So go to sound effect here, put 3 sound effect here, and then here is win, lose, and draw audio background, and then audio source is our main audio source. So let's just do that. Okay, so win sound, draw sound, and lose sound. Okay, next we're going to create a audio source file, and then just name it as sound effect. Okay, and then inside sound effect, audio clip is here. And inside game manager, put the sound effect into here. And then we are done. After everything is done, we just also edit the audio file and whatever that we need to add. So at the end of the tutorial, we should have something similar looking thing like this. So now we are just going to play it. We should test it now just by clicking the play button. Okay, song is coming. So let's try play. Okay, draw. Computer wins because they choose rock against scissors. So that is all for the tutorial on how to make rock paper scissors game. Thank you very much.